Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BECU online banking, secure guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the official BECU website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the website has loaded, locate the login button on the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will find fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the corresponding box. If you wish for the site to remember your login details, check the Remember Me option. Before proceeding, ensure that your connection is secure. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar, confirming the website is secure. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your online banking dashboard. If you encounter any issues, double-check your username and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After successfully logging in, ensure to log out when you're finished. This helps maintain the security of your online banking account. Always access BECU online banking from a secure device and network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.